10 years ago, when we used to use systems like AutoCAD, two-dimensional drawings, it was very difficult to communicate with the customer what they were actually getting, how the workplace was actually going to be. And of course, in the meantime, all of our salespeople are using 3D tools, which give you a better idea of the workplace, more depth in the drawing. But at the end of the day, there is absolutely nothing that is better than actually coming here to the design center and actually building that workplace, making sure that the workplace, right down to the last process, has been worked through.
I'm here today with the Trust to ensure that their design aspirations and their brief are fully covered through the Design Center mock-up, and it's excellent that we can come here today and see the product in reality rather than referring to it on a 2D drawing, which is often difficult for clinical users to interpret.
We can actually design our own systems ourselves, which makes it easier for the nurse to actually interact with the patients and the team around us.
We've got nurses, senior sisters, matrons with us today who can actually come and see equipment they're going to be using for the next 10 or 15 years. Some really good debates going on at the moment about what they want, trying to solve some problems that they live with every day when they're trying to treat patients.
And I think definitely today we're going to be a lot more confident going back over to the UK, knowing that the plans are definitely finalised and we know all the equipment's going to be exactly what we need for our patients.
It's a very important sort of thing that they actually try it themselves, see how it moves, see how it positions and how it works for them. At the same time, they can change that design and look and see what suits them better.
At the end of it, what we've got is the pendants that we want that will give us off-the-floor systems, which is perfect for infection control, and that we're going to fit into the rooms perfectly because we've been allowed to design them in the ways that we want.
It's kind of a value engineering exercise, so we can prove to them that the solution works for them. So we never get a situation where once it's installed, the clinical team can say, you didn't meet our expectations, we haven't seen it, it doesn't work.
We look for quality, something that will make the nurse's job a lot easier, something that is easy to service, easy to clean, easy to function.
Obviously the main reason we're here is to try out everything and set it up exactly the way we want it and walk away here being happy with the results and what we're going to get in a year's time.
This is the only facility that we're aware of where we can come and play with the system, design it to our requirements.
Really fantastic facility, excellent arrangement that Dräger have really, so very impressed.
Look at what will be the ideal layout for our unit and to bring some other nursing colleagues and other staff to come and have a look at it as well. It's all kind of reassuring for me as a customer of Dräger to know that there is that sort of support and in the background.
We are a global company. We have salespeople in all of these countries who are learning at all times of different scenarios, different ideas, innovations in those hospitals. And of course, we can bring all this information together here and we can offer it to our customers, giving them a choice of different ideas, different scenarios that they can then use in their projects.